it's to the point like they can't really plow right now. Just have to wait for it to build up. We'll come back this way and do a separate video.